What's going on, everybody? A few videos ago you might have heard me mention that we were doing a very special build for a customer out of Saudi Arabia. Now, we've sent cars all over the nation before, thousands of miles up north and even all the way to Hawaii, but this is the first international customer Black Label has ever had. Our customer saw the 35 build that we did for SEMA last year. He loves it. He wants something very similar in style, not quite as over the top, so no twin turbos on this build, unfortunately. However, we think it's going to be really, really cool, and we're so excited to share that with you now.